ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानाम् चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानाम् चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञा मनीषिणः
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञा मनीषिणः
ऐवुन्
ऐवुन्
ऋलृग् एओङ् ऐऔच् हयवरट् लन् ञमगणनं जभै घढधश् जबगढधश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै यशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि जश् प्रत्याहारे के के वर्णाः अंतर्भूताः सन्ति. I'll ask each one of you their answer. Savitri ji, what are the contents of Jash Pratyahara?
Jash Pratyahara has the fourth and the third letter of all the class consonants.
All the class consonants. Please see. Jash is where it's a Jakara. Prakash, where is Jha? Mahaprana Jha.
Fourth
Keep your
class.
mic unmute. Hmm?
Fourth class. Fourth class का उसको.
Your mic is in mute, Rakash. It's a mute. Jakara is here.
Yeah, fourth.
Jash. Murdanya Shakara, it's the letter. Therefore, did
Third.
I ask Murdanya Shakara or the Taleva Shakara? Savitri.
No, I didn't.
Huh?
Somehow I thought it was not Murdanya. Maybe if it is Murdanya, it is only fourth. Sorry.
It is Murdanya, I think. That's what I think. It's,
Okay. Maybe I missed. I saw
That is
it.
more than only. Correct.
only Murdanya. Fourth class
Then
of
it's
all the
only
class.
fourth. Yes.
Fourth class, yeah, I think Murdanya only. Yeah, yes,
Yes,
Murdanya.
it is only fourth.
Fourth letter of all the class consonants are covered.
Yeah.
If it is Jash, then 4 and
Fourth and third.
Yes.
3. You have this, this Pratyahara chart. Be easy to recognize, but you should know by heart by this time. Still, you have problem. That is why I'm doing this. Jash. What are the contents of Jash? Chitraji.
Third letters of all the class consonants.
All the class consonants. Jabagada Dash. Where is that?
Jabagadash.
It is third letter. So
Third
it is
letters
here.
of all the class consonants.
Ja, Chavarga,
Ga,
Pavarga, Kavarga, Tavarga, and Tavarga. The third letter of all the class consonants are covered by the Pratyahara, Jash. The importance of Jash we know. Padanta Jal replaced by Jash.
Yes.
Right? What are the contents of Kar? Mr. Swamiji. Kar.
This is second and first series plus sibilants excluding Hakara.
Actually, Kar stands for all the hard
Hard
consonants.
all the consonants.
First letter and second letter of all the class consonants plus the 3 sibilants. These are the only hard consonants. How many letters are there? 13, which we
13.
saw in detail. Each letter we saw when follows what happens. Right? There are only Visarga Sandhi, etc. Those things we saw. The 13 letters are there. Next Pratyahara. Suhasji, Hush.
Semi-vowels, class, fourth class.
Semi-vowels plus
Fifth class, fourth class, and third class.
So Hush stands for not only semi-vowels. Ha is it includes the sibilant ha. Right?
Yes.
So ha and then semi-vowels, then 5, 4, 3. Hush letter cover Hush Pratyahara covers all the soft consonants. So ha plus semi-vowels plus 5 plus 4. Starting from ha and chakara. So these 4 lines cover all the soft consonants, and these 2, except ha, covers all the hard consonants. Right?
Yes.
These are all important pratyaharas. Yeah. You need to remember even in dream. You're not supposed to forget this. I'm just doing for revision. If you have problem with the pratyahara, please state it out. Be clear. What are the contents of char, Prakashji? Char.
Hard consonant. Fourth, first class of all the letters.
And that's it.
Shasa. Excepting ha.
Excepting, of course, ha is not there. No, this is repa. It's char. The char starting from here. First letter of all the class consonants and all the hard sibilants. All the hard sibilants. See, How many sibilants are there? 4. Are they all hard?
Ha is soft. Something wrong.
Ha is a soft consonant. That is why it is repeated here. Here you can see ha is there. And here also ha is a part of the sibilant. Right? And all are Alpa Prana, Maha Prana.
Alpa prana.
Alpa Prana. Pochu Prana ne pochu bro.
Achicho. Yenadu.
Alpa Pranava. All are Alpa Prana, Maha Prana.
Then it is Mahaprana.
இதே ஒண்ணு ஆம்பளை இல்ல பொம்பளை ஏதாவது ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்க முடியும் இல்லையா?
Mahaprana.
அந்த பக்கம் இல்ல இந்த பக்கம் இல்ல லெஃப்ட் போகணும் ரைட் போகணும்.
வலது சாரி இடது சாரி
105வது 4வது கிளாஸ் ஆகும்போது இதெல்லாம் முதல்ல படிச்சது எப்போ எல்கேஜில படிச்சது. இப்ப நம்ம எங்க இருக்கோம்? வேற வேணும். I thought I am repeating, but repeating is worth, I think.
Shasha and sa are hard consonants.
These shashas are hard and they are Mahaprana. In fact, all are Mahaprana. These 3 are hard consonants. That is why they form a part of Kar Pratyahara, hard consonants. And Ha is a soft consonant. That is a Mahaprana only. They're all important thing, basic things, important thing, need to remember. Similarly, all the semi-vowels are soft consonants. They are not soft. You can see with this chart, you can easily, because they are covered under the Pratyahara hush. All the sibilants are soft only. Right? Okay, the next Pratyahara. Jal, important Pratyahara. Jal Pratyahara, Mehtaji, which covers.
Jal Pratyahara covers 4th of the class, 3rd of the class, 2nd of the class, 1st of the class, and also the sibilants.
All the sibilants. How many letters are there?
20 plus 4.
24.
25.
What is the importance of this Jal Pratyahara?
Jashtva Sandhi.
Not only just many places, many Sandhi, Jal is important. Starting from Kuttam onwards, Chavarga when followed by Jal. They use Pratyahara there, Jal Pratyahara. Hakara when followed by Jal, there also. Padanta Jal. Jal followed by Kar. Jal at the Avasana. Everywhere Jal is there. It's an important Pratyahara, right? Important Pratyahara in all the Sandhis we use. Not only that, Jal is going to come later on. Some Sandhis we need to. You remember another one? In Anuswara Sandhi, Jal comes. Where is that? What is that Sandhi?
Anuswara 2, Apadanta Nakara or Makara, followed by Jal.
Followed by Jal. So you work like that, Jal Pratyahara. So whatever Sandhis you have seen, in where, which are all Sandhis, there's, the Jal comes. Just list down the Sandhis. Okay, next one, Shar. Shar is a simple Pratyahara, which cover all the, not all the, of course, all the hard sibilants, you can say. Hard sibilants. Okay. So all these Pratyaharas is, you must be thorough. Even in dream, you should remember these Pratyaharas. And of course, all the place of pronunciation, other properties of the letters. These properties are important. Then, Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha.
Visarjaniyanam Kantaha.
Ichu Yashanam Thalu. Ritu Rashanam Urdham.
Rudurashanam Mudha.
Ritulasanam Dantaham.
Litulasanam
Danam Dantaha
Upopadmani Yanam Oshtam
Upadmaniyanam
Upadmaniyanam
Ushtau
Poshtau
Nyamangananam Nasikacha
Namagananam Nasikacha
Nasikacha
Edaitoko Kantatalu
Elekoho Kantatalu
Odautoko Kantaushtam
Odautoho
Bodautoho
Kantaushtam
Kantaushtam
Vakarasya Dantaushtam
Vakarasya Dantaushtam
Jikhva Muli Yasya Jikhva Mulyam
Jikhva Muli Yasya Jikhva Mulyam
Nasika Nuswarasya.
Nasika Anuswarasya.
Yeah, I'm going to the basics again. Huh? Krishna Swamiji, what are the properties of the letter A?
Properties of Akara.
Whatever you know about it, Akara.
So, we have 18 Akaras.
Very good. What are they? I mean,
So
what
there are multiple
are they called? Savarnaha. Savana Dirgha. See, the term should come to your mind immediately. Savarna, Savana Dirgha Sandhi.
Yes.
But in the Sandhi context, it is, what we require is only Rasva and Dirgha. Other components, other Savarnas are not required.
Correct.
It doesn't find application in the Sandhi context. Only Rasva and Dirgha, these two. Okay. I myself have said one more property. It is Rasvaha. Soft, it's a short vowel and
Rasva Dirgha. And then
this is okay. The A is Rasva. Then Ucharana Sthanam. That is also a proper.
Anudatta, Udatta, Swarita.
Ucharana Sthanam of A.
Yeah.
Kanta. It is a
Akuha Visarjaniyanam.
it's a Kantyaha. Kantya Varnaha. It is.
Yeah.
First is it is number one. It is an Ach. We can use the Pratyahara. We can define the property using the Pratyahara. Ach. Number two, Rasvaha. Number three, Kantyaha. Even before that also we can say it is a simple vowel Samana Swaraha. Two types. We saw Samana Swaraha, Sanyukta Swaraha. All these things in the beginning of the class. Which is Samana Swaraha, simple vowel. Simple, that classification based on the place of pronunciation, simple and conjunct. That is one. Second classification based on Matra, time taken to pronounce. This is Rasva. Right?
Yes.
Like that, all the properties. And now, one other further Prayatna is the Prayatna I'm not doing it. That we will see when the requirement comes. Right?
We can say non-nasalized also, right?
Sorry?
Non-nasalized, Ananunasika.
That's what he said. All the Savarnas are included, 18 letters. All the Savarnas. In the context of Sandhi, we required only Rasva and Dirgha. Okay. Randomly I asked, okay, we cannot do all. What are the properties of Dakara, Medaji?
Dakara is a consonant, Hal letter.
Hal, yes, number one, Hal, yeah.
It is part of the Vargiya Vyanjanani. It is Murdhanya.
Yeah, Uchchara Sthanam is Murdha, Murdhanyaha. Okay.
Then it is Mahaprana.
Very good.
Then
Hard or soft?
This is soft.
Soft consonant. Therefore, it's a hush letter.
Hush
It's a
letter.
hull as well as hush.
Yes.
You understand the why you have this pratyahara? Hull as a hull, the pratyahara as part of the pratyahara. I mean, it is says that it's a one of the consonant. And hush, when we say it is one of the soft consonants. So we use hull in the sandhi. Example, where we use hull? The sandhi context. Any sandhi you remember?
Anuswara Padanta Hal is there. right?
Oh,
Followed.
Padanta, say it completely.
Padanta followed by a consonant.
What Padanta?
Sorry,
What is
sorry.
the letter?
Padanta, it's Anunasika.
Followed by hull.
Makara followed by Padanta Makara followed by Hal.
Oh, Makara followed by a hull. And another place also sandhi. In whatever sandhis we have learned in hull, another place also it is there. In many places, I remember another one also. What is that?
It's a part of Jal. It is a part of Jash.
No, that's okay. That is in our sandhi context, we use the pratyahara hull.
When Padanta hal, when followed by Ekal Pratyaya, that drops that one.
No, that's sandhi. That is not a sandhi, no. Not Padanta hull. That is also wrong. Okay. Not Padanta hull. Su followed by. Su is a ekal pratyaya. Follows a consonant. Not Padanta. If it is a Padanta, then
It's
how
not a
can pratyaya
Padanta.
can be added, right? No, that's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a
Okay.
Even this will be used in Shtutvam.
Chutvam. Where?
Shtutvam.
Hull pratyahara, where in
Oh,
Chutvam
hull.
it is used.
Okay. Sorry. I thought different. Okay. The Tavarga.
I see. Something came to my mind. That's why I'm asking another one. I don't know whether it occurs to you. If you know all the sandhi, remember all the sandhi. See, it's something like that. All the sandhi simultaneously it occurs in your mind. That's like for Ishvara. The whole Srishti is just created in a moment, not one after the other. That's a Christian theology. For us, it is not like that. Ishvara open its eyes, the Srishti is there. Similarly, the knowledge also, at least the basic knowledge, sandhi, etc. All the sandhis, when you just see it, all the sandhis should be able to see and see all the pratyaharas of and other things. What are the conditions or properties involved in that? Should be able to see. See, Padanta Yakara followed by what?
Ash letter, right? In that Ash letter, you can split it into Ach and Hush, but that is not a.
When followed by Hull, that Yakara must vanish. The rule.
Yeah, consonant. Yeah.
Okay, even though we have not seen it as Hull, we have seen it as Hush, Ach plus Hush. When followed by but in my notes, if you see, followed by a consonant, I would have written.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. In the Sutra, in fact, Medaji, Hali Sarvesham, that is Sutra. Then followed by a Hal, the Yakara at the end of the Padam, that Lopaha Shakalyasya, what we say, that option is only for the vowel, not for the consonants. When followed by a Hal, that Yakara must vanish. Lopaha Bhavati Eva. Okay, anyway. That is another place which Hal I remember. Okay. Fine, this is enough. So other things we will not shunt, we will go on. In the last class, we saw one new sandhi. What is that sandhi?
Gamut
Agama.
Agama.
I hope all of you know what is Adesha, what is Agama. Is there any doubt?
No.
What is Adesha?
Adesh is replacing.
Adesha is that which replaces. Then what is that replaced called in Sanskritam? Sthani. What is the Pratipadikam? We are using the word Sthani, right? What is the Pratipadikam?
Stanin.
Stanin, Nakaranta Shabda. We have seen Karin. Stanin, when you decline. Jnanin, Jnani. Jnanino, Jnaninaha. Similarly, Stani, Stanino, Staninaha. Stanin, Nakaranta. Stani, okay, the Dirga E, not Rasva. So Stani, Adesha, and Agama is
Joins.
Which is added to the Sthani.
I give a simple example. Adesha is like an enemy. Shatruvat.
Enemy.
Adesha. Agama is
Like a friend.
Friend.
Mitravat. And where the Agama will come? Okay, Stani is there. A Stani could be a word, Stani could be a letter, Stani could be a group of words, group of letters, not words. So where the Stani, this Agama will come?
Agama will be added to
Depends on
Stani.
the it letter.
After.
Based on the it letter of the Agama. Based on the, that is why the it letter or it letters are important. It letter, they are not useless letter. It letter, even though they are it means lopaha bhavati. They are not considered. They are not part of the agama, the pratyaya, whatever it is. But it has significance. If the agama is tit agama, then that agama is added to.
If it is, sorry,
Which one you said?
If it is a tit agama,
Tit.
if
it
the
will be
agama
added
is
to Stani.
tit, before the Stani.
Before the Sthani.
Before the Sthani.
Before the Stani. If the agama is kit agama, then it is
Middle.
Not the Stani.
not middle.
End.
It is
After.
end of the Stani.
I heard myth. No?
If the agama is myth, now
It is
only I am
between.
saying myth.
It is
Be
in
added
between.
to the last
Ah.
vowel.
The last vowel.
Yeah, we say middle. I use loosely said middle. In fact, it is added to the
Last vowel.
Last vowel.
Last vowel of
after the last vowel of the Stani. Suppose we have the word example, Samaveta, here in the screen you see the Samaveta. So I'm just assuming, okay. Now you get a Mitta Agama here. Mitta Agama should be added after the last vowel. So last vowel means Mitta Agama will come here only, where it will come. This is the last vowel. Okay, this is a wrong example anyway, what to do? Because ending with vowel. So in the Stani, after the last vowel, that Mittagama will come. We will see examples later. In fact, Mittagama we have seen. I given the example of Numagama in the context, Rajan Shabda, etc. Right? Rajan Nathan. So in Agama is referred to it by its by its it letter. Please note. So if it is a Numagama, it is a Numagama, Makara is it letter. Therefore it's a Mittagama. That U is it letter. The vowel in the Agama is an it letter. So Num content is
Nakara.
Nakara. It's a Mittagama. Nut. What type of Agama?
Tittagama.
Tittagama. Content is
No. Nakara.
Nakara. Sut Agama. What type of Agama is that?
What did you say?
Sut.
Sut. Sutagama.
Tittagama.
So it should be Tittagama.
Tittagama. Content is
Takara.
Takara.
You write it, so it's a little bit difficult.
okay. Why is voice not clear?
Maybe my speaker is a problem, but yeah.
I'm asking what is the content of Num Agama? What type of Agama and what is the content? Both you can say.
Mittagama.
Num is Mittagama.
Mittagama and
And
Nakara is
Nakara is the
content.
Agama. Content.
Nakara is the content of the Agama.
Content.
Therefore, Nakara is what is added to the Stani. Right?
Yes.
Nakara is what is added to the Stani. So content is Nakara. Okay, this is a Mittagama and the content is Nakara. In my channel, there is a playlist, Agama, but it's not for you, and it's too much for you. Don't worry. All the Agamas are collected and just presented as one class. I mean, many classes. That's only for those who know everything. No, not for. It's there's so many Agamas are there. You will see. And Nut Agama. So see here, who is the who to be understood as Anunasika Ith letter. Anunasika letters are Ith letter. We don't have any Anunasika in the language, right? The language means spoken language talking about. The grammar we have. The chanting we have, that is different. Don't bring chanting here. Huh? The chanting, that is different. So in the spoken, in the language, this in the grammar only we have Anunasika. So Nut Agama, what type of Agama is Nut?
Tittagama.
It's a Tit Agama.
So Tit Agama, content is Nakara.
Nakara.
So significance of the Agama having the Ith letter is that it denotes where the, or it suggests where the Agama should be
Agama should be.
added, right?
Yes.
Nuk Agama,
Kit.
Kit.
Kit Agama, content is
Nakara.
Nakara.
Nakara. Similarly, we have Sut Agama.
Tittagama and
Content is
Sakara.
Content is Sakara.
Karanji, can you give examples of this?
Examples, if I give, will not understand. Numagama already we know.
Yes, that is.
Numagama we know, right?
Yes, Kasmin.
Yeah, Tasmin, not Tasmin, Tasmin iti.
Kasmin iti.
No, that is for Ngamut Agama Sandhi, not Tasmin. Where is Tasmin Numagama?
Kasmin iti.
Sandhi, you have to tell completely. Kasmin plus iti, that is Ngamut Agama Sandhi.
Yes, sir.
Right? See, okay, that and give one example for Suttagama. Why Suttagama? Numagama itself, I can give an example. Numagama already example I have given. Remember the Palashabda. Palashabda, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana. What is the Pratyaya? All this. I mean, the decline derivation part.
So Aujas.
Just is. I'm asking Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Just Pala is Napumsakalinga or Pullinga or Strilinga?
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. Karantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Palashabdaha, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana Rupam. The Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya is just.
Yes.
Then what is the next step? What happens to the just pratyaya? What is the just pratyaya? What is the property? It's not important. You need to remember. Sarvadhataka. Who said Sarvadhataka?
Sarvanamastha.
No.
Sarvanamastana. Sarvadhataka, Adadhataka, they are only for the pratyayas added to the dhatus.
I wanted to say that, but yeah, sorry.
Sarvanamastana pratyaya. Very good. Then just for Napumsakalinga. What happens? So just it is replaced by what? Anyone?
Makara.
Makara. What is the Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana Rupam?
Palani. So, Palani.
You know what is the Shabda is? What is the form is? Palani is a form. What is the end? The end result is Palani.
Anna D has to come.
The end is Palani.
It gets replaced by E.
Exactly. It is replaced by E is a rule. Just and Shas, they are replaced by E. Sarvanamastana Pratyaya replaced by E. When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows the
Ananta Shabda.
not Ananta Shabda. This will get
Upadaditvam.
This will get num agama, number 1. This is the stani. See, this is we have learned this, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt in that, huh?
No,
I taught
no.
you this. So this will get num. This is the stani, right? The stani will get agama. What agama?
Numagama.
Num agama. Where the num will come?
After pala.
Num agama is a mitagama.
So
And
does it
pala
become
is the stani.
Last vowel
vowel?
of the
What is the last vowel there?
Rasva. Rasva.
Rasva. After the rasva akara, num agama should come, right? Therefore, num agama comes here. This is a num. What is the content of num?
nakara.
Nakara. Now it is, you can say nakara is at the end, followed by sarvanamasthana pratyaya. We know what will happen.
Upada dirgha.
Like a Raman, like a Rajan, Atman, Upada becomes
Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Pala. Therefore, you get Palani.
Tani.
You can see the example of Numagama here. Already we have seen. Right? I don't know how many of you remember the entire steps. Huh? Come on. I think I would probably, I thought you will understand I gave more. But I have not. Numagama comes.
Numa agama is a myth agama, right?
Yes.
So it should be middle,
No.
no? Is it at the end of the
No.
vowel?
This is the stani. After the last vowel of the stani.
Okay.
What is the last vowel there?
Rasva.
What is the last vowel? 2 akaras are there. 2 akaras are there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then where this
the last one
mitagama will come? This
end.
entire thing is stani. Therefore, after the last vowel will come. Simple.
Had it been
Akara.
what would have
After
happened?
the lak.
What would have happened?
If it is a kit agama, where would that
Mitagama will come here. As the same place as Num.
Sharanji, even in
what is the
Jagat,
difference? That's what I'm
Jagati,
not getting still.
What is the
Jagat,
difference?
Jagati.
Yeah, Kitagama, there is no Kitagama possibility. In the language, we don't have like that.
I was trying to understand when we say it's before.
It's
middle,
very clear.
and
There is no
after.
confusion. This is a stani. After the last vowel, the Numagama should come. So comes after a year. That's it.
Okay.
When Kitagama comes, Kitagama will come in the same place. So what?
Okay.
Sharanji, even in
Yeah.
Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, there also this happens.
Yes, there also comes Jagat Shabda, Takaranta Shabda, which you have not seen, but I told this is an important Shabda, Jagat Shabda. Jagat is Takaranta Shabda. Okay, now the question comes, where Numagama will come? Numagama will come for Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda and Jalanta Napumsakalinga. What is Jalanta? Napumsakalinga. This Napumsakalinga. I'm talking about Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. When followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, for Akaranta Napumsakalinga and Jalanta Napumsakalinga will get Numagama. Now Jagat is the Shabda ending with what letter?
Jal letter.
Jal letter. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows.
Evil.
Jagat plus E. Jagat will get being Jal, therefore will get Numagama. Now content is
Nakara.
okay. Numagama will it come here? I'm also writing. You are also saying yes.
No, it should come after Ga.
You want to see Savitriji here. Where the Numagama will come here?
That should be after Ga only.
After
Ah.
Ga. Here it will come Num.
Okay.
Content of Num is
Nakara.
therefore Jaganta. Jaganta plus E.
Jagan.
Jaganti. This takaranta napumsakalinga shabda is important. Jagat. Many shabdas are declined like Jagat. Okay. Therefore, Jaganti. The Jagat shabda, already I have done this. It's a simple shabda. Let me do Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam as well as Bhagavachanam. I mean, Dvivachanam. Bhagavachanam I have done.
Question.
Hmm.
So
I'm
when we
going
say
somewhere.
that,
I'm not interested in this, but I'm teaching something else. Oh, okay. Please ask.
no, I followed this.
Oh.
But for the myth agama, when we say it's middle, what does that position mean that I'm still not able to get it?
After the last vowel of the Sthani.
But what is middle about it? It's just after the last letter of the Sthani, right? When we say myth is middle and
I said loosely it's middle. It's not middle, exactly
okay,
middle.
okay,
What is the
okay.
middle? You will dissect the word into two and then put it in the middle.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not like that.
okay.
Loosely it is called middle.
Okay.
There is nothing called middle. I use the word middle.
Okay, fine.
So Jagat, okay, let me do the other pratyaya also. Jagat plus Su. Jagat plus Su. Su is Sakara, Ekal pratyaya. That will
drop.
drop. Therefore, you have Jagat only. So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Jagat. So Jagat and Dvivachanam.
Oh.
What the pratyaya?
Oh.
Oh.
And therefore you get
Jagatau.
Jagato. Come on. We are doing Napumsakalinga. We are not doing
Replaced by
We'll
E.
get replaced by E.
Dirgha E.
replaced by Napumsakalinga. We have seen this.
E.
Au and out must be replaced by E.
Jagati.
Jagati.
So therefore Takarantaha, important Shabda. This is not like Marut. Takarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Jagat Shabdaha. So other forms you can do simple. This one Jagat, Jagati,
Jaganti.
Jaganti. Ditya also same. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Tritiya onwards, it's like Marut Shabdavat. Shesham Marutvat. I'm not writing, you have to do it. Shesham Marutvat. Jagata, Jagatbyam, Jagatbhihi. Jagate, Jagatbyam, whatever Sandhi. For 3-2 and 3-3 and 7-3, you apply. Jashtum and Chartum, etc. You get the form.
Jaganti is Rasva Ikara.
Sorry?
Jaganti is
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. That's why you got Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. That's all. Because it's even. Okay, anyway. So this is the example for the Nummakama. So we are not interested in this, but anyway, it's incidental. Sometimes incidental occupies the whole class. So you understand what is Kit, Myth, and Tit. So in the last class, we saw one Agama, which is Nyamut Agama. Nyamut Agama, it's a combination of three Agama. This is where the Sutra plays. See, instead of saying Nyamut is, instead of saying Nut separately, Nut and Nut and Nut, we can just add all these things and say it as a Nyamut Agama. What's the problem with that? Right? That's an easy way. Instead of saying one year also, see, three agamas I have to use to refer to, for this sandhi, like Nyamutagama sandhi. We can just call it a Nyamutagama sandhi. Nyamut. So Nyam is a pratyahara which covers
No.
na,
No.
not everything. Yama, nanam, don't say. Huh? That fifth letter of all the class consonants, that pratyahara is Nyam. Not Nam. First letter is Talavya. We are starting from Na only. Namut. Right? So Nam. Na. Only these three letters. So palatal and labial are excluded. So Namut Tagama Sandhi. This is what we saw in the last class, right?
Yeah.
When does it come? When Nam letter at the end of the Padam preceded by a
Rasva.
Rasva ach.
Rasva. You
Followed
don't have to mention rasva ach. Rasva has to be ach only. What else? Can it be a consonant?
followed by H.
It is rasva. But anyway, I'm just saying rasva ach. Followed by
Ach.
padanta ngam. That condition is also important. And this padantangam preceded by rasva ach, followed by ach. Then which will get ngamut agama? Agama will come. For
The
which
following letter.
following vowel will get
Vowel.
corresponding that ngam letter as an agama will come. So here only just we see tasmin plus iti example. Tasmin nakara, is it not part of the ngam pratyahara? Yes or no, Prakash ji?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Preceded by what letter?
Rasva ach.
Rasva. What is that rasva ach?
E.
E. So tasmin. So takaras, then that is sakara, makara, and then e. So we should not say me or makara. E is there before. Followed by?
Rasva.
Followed by ach. There is no condition the following letter should be a rasva ach. Please note, preceding only should be rasva. If it is dirgha, then this will not happen. So therefore the following, the vowel will get what agama? It has three letters are there. So which agama will come? Three agamas are there. Which one will select?
Nakara.
You have to select nut agama. Iti is the stani. In the context, iti is the stani. Then where the agama will come? The agama is a tit agama. Agama should come
Before the front.
before the stani. So before means before e. That agama is nut agama. That is the right option among the three agamas because here the ngam letter is nakara. Therefore, nut agama will come. Right? Understand, Chitraji? Hello? Chitraji is there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Follow or not?
A little difficult for me. I have to.
What difficult? Tell me. Where is the difficult? Where is the problem? Tell me. What is the problem? Tell. Unless you tell, how do I know? This is the second time I'm repeating the sandhi. Last class we saw this. What is the difficulty here?
Nothing, sir, I'll understand. I just.
The class you have to understand, not after that. Ngamut agama. Do you follow ngamut? What is ngamut?
Nut.
Yes or no, Chitraji? Ngamut. Do you follow ngamut? What ngamut is?
Yeah.
Huh?
After Anuswara Sandhi, it comes into Nyamutagama.
Don't see. When I teach this, you have to focus should be here, not on other sandhi and all, not required. I'm asking what is ngamut?
Padanta.
No. What is ngamut? My question is see. Answer to the point. What is ngamut? When I ask what is your age, you should not say I was born in 1965. No, that is not required. What is your age means you have to tell the age, right? What is ngamut?
Can you explain it again, Sanjeev?
Ngamut has got, ngamut is, you have ngam and plus ut.
No.
Ngam pratyahara, ngam and ut. Right? Ngamut is equal to ngam plus ut. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a simple mathematics, an addition. Ngam stands for the pratyahara, nakara. Any doubt in that? Ngam stands for the pratyahara, which has the nakara as its members. Three letters are covered by the pratyahara. And they are going to be the agama. They are going to be the agama in this sandhi context. They are the agama. What agama? Where I have to tell where the agama should be added. I am saying that it's a tit agama. Takara is ita letter. Add ut to each one of this. Add ut. Ut is who is ita letter. Nakara plus ut. What do you get?
Nut.
Nut. Nakara plus ut.
Nut.
Nut. Dante nakara plus ut.
Nut.
Nut. So these three agamas are what is covered by collectively Ngamut. It's a way of representing it. You follow?
Namut.
Chitra, I'm asking you only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these three are covered by, therefore, Ngamut, Nut, Nut, and Nut. Three are there. Three agamas are covered by this Pratyahara Ngamut. Ngamut itself is, Pratyahara plus, and it is a agama, tit agama. Agama is tit. So based on the Ngam letter at the end of the Padam, corresponding agama should come. So we have three agamas which are covered by Ngamut. Based on the Ngam letter at the end of the Padam, the agama should come. In this example, what is the letter here?
Nakara.
Nakara. So which agama you will select among the three?
Nut.
And that is agama. And stani is E. The following vowel is a stani. This is the rule. Padantangam preceded by Rasva Ach followed by Ach. That following Ach will get Ngamut agama. Ngamut agama will come. Ngamut agama means not all the three agama will come. You have to select one among the three. Like how do we select Gunasandhi, Guna letter? Similarly here also, we have to select the right one among the three, best one among the three. Which one you will select? In this example, Tasmin plus iti. Following Aches, following is a vowel, that is iti is a stani, E is a stani. Now agama will come. Where the agama will come? Agama will come. We get tit agama. How do you know it is tit agama? Takara is ita letter, it is there all over. And who is ita letter? If the Ngam letter is Nakara Nutagama, Nakara Nutagama, Nakara Nut. So here the Ngam letter being Nakara, therefore the corresponding agama, Nutagama, is appended to the stani E. Is it clear? Content of Nut is Nakara is the content. Takara ita letter. The property is important to to add to which place of the stani, that property, before or end or in the middle. I use the word middle. Don't look for the middle, means exactly middle. Huh? And Nakara is a content. Who is it the letter? Therefore, Nakara plus iti, niti. Adding that, we get Tasmin niti. Right? Tasmin plus iti, Tasmin niti. This is a sandhi.
This only covers the teeth agama. Mit and kith are different sutras.
Sorry?
This only covers teeth agama, and mit and kith are different sutras.
Mit and kith are not required here. Why do you require now?
Because
Sandhi doesn't call for that as such type of agamas here. The Sandhi itself is Ngamut agama. Then why you should bother about kith and mit and all?
earlier it was shown kith and mit, therefore.
Where? I defined the types of agama. What are the types of? Three types of agamas are there: Tittagama, Kittagama, Mittagama. These are all examples for you to see. Numagama is there. Numagama. Do we have to bring Numagama here? What is the context here? Numagama comes where it has to come. Here we are dealing with the Gamut, Tittagama here. Here Gamut is the agama and the Tittagama. Why you should bother about Mit and Kith here?
I thought that this example includes even kith and mit.
where is, I never use the word kit in this example at all. Right? See, this is a rule. If you follow this rule or not,
Yes, yes, follow.
then that's simple. Then where is kit and myth? Padantangam preceded by Rasva Akara, Rasvach, followed by H. The following H will get Ngamutagama. That is a Sandhi. That is a rule. Then where is kit and myth? So this Sandhi already covered in the last class. The last class I taught you. I don't know how many of you understood or watched the video. No, I'm not. So anyway, I have taught you again. Is it clear? This must be clear. If you have doubt, please ask. Then and there, clear it. You are making a lot of unnecessary connections and you're getting confused. No, this is always see. When I use the word agama, that's why I explain what are the types of agama. Nummagama, one example already we have seen is a mithagama. Now we are saying tithagama. Took another kithagama example you will see when the context comes. You don't have to mix up everything in one place. Why? I never said like that. Okay. This is this is where samsara is also. It's all Ashruta Kalpana. We imagine superimposition. We superimpose something which is not there. It's all not told also. Nobody has taught us. All Kalpana. Whole samsara is that only. Kalpana. Pratibhasika. All are Pratibhasika. That is why samsara. The Pratibhasika is the most difficult thing. Vyavaharika is Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. There is no samsara. That being fine, there is no problem in that. The whole problem is only in Pratibhasika. Subjective reality. Jiva Srishta Dvaitam eva samsara hetuhu, bandha hetuhu. This is also here. We unnecessarily connect with something which has not been told at all. Whenever agama is tit, that is added before the sthani. For that I gave some examples. And our here good example is Nyamuttagama Sandhi is an example for that. Similarly, when agama is myth, that is added after the last vowel of the sthani. Example, Nummagama, that also we have seen. One example is enough. And Kittagama I have not taught you. Kittagama, have you come across any Kittagama rule? So far not. You follow, all of you, understand what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The Kittagama also I will tell you one Sandhi where Kittagama is involved. So that the three things will be. See, you have to do some work, spend some quality time. Okay. Now, before that, the first chapter itself, the Gita, you will see this Nyamuttagama Sandhi. Okay. And another thing also I tell you. See, here in this example, Tasminiti is the example I gave. Here you see the dupe. I mean, as though Nakara is doubled, right? As though Nakara is doubled. There are places where you will see Nakara, Nakara or whatever it is, that Nam letter doubling. So don't conclude is Nyamuttagama. Like for example, like Kasmin plus Nu. Kasmin Bhagava Vijñāte Sarvamidam Vijñātam Bhavati iti. It is in Mundaka Upanishad. Kasmin plus here also Nu is there. Is it Nyamuttagama Sandhi? No. They are just adding. Kasmin plus Nu is a particle. It's an indeclinable. Kasmin Nu Bhagava Vijñāte Sarvamidam Vijñātam Bhavati. Shaunaka asked Angiras in the Mundaka Upanishad. This is not example for this. Just showing. So like that doubling you will see. So don't conclude that it is, it is Nyamuttagama Sandhi.
Because here
Similarly,
there is it is not followed by ach.
Yeah. That condition is not applied at all. That's not fulfilled at all. Therefore, you cannot apply. You cannot say this is Nyamuttagama Sandhi. Similarly, another one is there. Right, I have to cook up some example. Okay, I'm just writing. Okay. Asmakam plus Nadi. Here, I'm just making some example. Okay. Asmakam Padanta Makara. Okay. Then Makara at the end of the Padam,
So
followed by a
yeah. Hal.
followed by a
Hal.
Hal.
Anuswara Sandhi.
Therefore, Asmakam, Anuswara Sandhi we apply. Then Anuswara is followed by
This Parasavarna will come.
Asmakam.
Therefore, Anuswara will be replaced by
Nakara.
Nakara. Asmakan Nadi. Here also we have double Nakara. Is it Ngamutagama Sandhi?
No.
No.
No. So don't conclude like that. Okay, you understand? So we have to see the following is a vowel here. Here the following is not a vowel. Understand the distinction?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give this example as counter example. Counter example means don't take this as the Gamutakama Sandhi. Condition is not fulfilled at all. Asmakan Nadi. Similarly, Kasmin plus Nu. Because Nakara is duplicated, immediately we will say, okay, this is Namutakama Sandhi. It's not. These are all counter example. This is not a and another one also is there. In fact, it is all this do the following the Anuswara replaced by following that A letter, right? Parasavarna. In fact, in chanting you do, right? In chanting always you do it, replace it Anuswara by the following A letter. So therefore it is just a, what Sandhi is that? Anuswara followed by a letter, Para Savana Sandhi. That Sandhi is different. In Gita, first chapter, I think so. First chapter and second chapter, you will see. In many places, you will see this. Tan Niboda. What is Tan Niboda?
Tan Niboda.
Tan Niboda. Is it Namutakama Sandhi? No. Sakataute Tamto Tan. Tan plus Nibodha. That is Namutakama. Double Nakara is there Namutakama? No, it is not. Similarly, Yavadetan Nirikshekam here.
Yavadetan Niriksheham.
Very good. Here also it is not Gamut Tagama Sandhi. Following is a Nakara, not vowel. Where is Gamut? Understand? Then see, we should know what it is not also. That's why they're all counter examples. Vishidanidam abravit. Okay, here.
Vishidan.
There it is.
It is.
Vishidan plus idam. What Sandhi? Namuttagama Sandhi. It is our example for here. It is Vishidan. Vishidan is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam of Vishidat Shabda participle that we don't know what it is. Don't worry, we'll see that later. Vishidan plus idam. Patantangam letter preceded by a short vowel, followed by a vowel. Therefore, it will get Nuttagama. Same thing. So Vishidan plus idam. Idam beginning with the vowel, right? Therefore, it will get Nuttagama because Padanta Nakara. Joining that, Vishidan.
Vishidan
Nidam. It's a good place to see that. Vishidan Nidam Abravit. Right? Then. Dhartarashtranaha. Here.
Dhartarashtan.
Astaranaha.
No.
Here there is no Namatagama. Dhartarashtran is like Raman. Vidya Bhagavachanam plus Naha is Asmakam Naha.
Smakam.
Doesn't apply. And Tasman Narha. Here.
Yes.
Tasma.
Is it Arha?
The dum. Num.
Tasman Narha. Yes. What is
Arha
this?
is, no, whether there is a word Arha,
Why not?
then it is not Hraswa, it cannot be, right? Tasman is there. So this
Is there any word Tasman? Think, okay. Is there any word Tasman?
Tasmat first. Tasmat plus Arha, then that becomes first Tasmat.
No. That's
Tasmat.
Is there a nakara in between? Like
Tasmat.
you have to tell Tasman Narha.
Tasmat plus Na plus Arha.
Hold on. Tasman Narha is there. Okay. How do you split this? Tasman Narha Vayam Hantu. In fact, you have to split the entire thing. Here also Vayam follows. So split this.
Tasmat na arha.
First you write Tasman, then
Na.
Narha,
Okay. Narha.
then Vayam. Vayam na Argaha. Bhagavachanam it is. That's why I wrote Vayam also. Here, Visarga was there. It has gone. How?
Yakara.
Yakara Yatvasandhi. Now we are splitting.
Yes.
And Nargaha.
Na.
Argaha. Vayam. We are not Argaha. We are not Yogyaha. Ityartaha. Argaha. Na plus Argaha. Savna Dirghasandhi. Nargaha. Tasmat plus Na. Now how Nakara will come? That also you have to split. It is Tasmat. Tasmat Padanta Jal replaced by Dakara. Dakara followed by
Anunasika.
Anunasika letter. Therefore, what rule is that?
Anunasika Sandhi. That Padanta here followed by Anunasika.
That is the letter followed by Anunasika. Therefore, this is replaced by Anunasika. Therefore, Tasman. So when you split.
That's an optional Sandhi, right? No?
Yeah, Padanta is optional.
Yes.
But it is applied here.
Yeah, yes, fine. No problem. Tasman.
Therefore, Tasmat plus Na plus Arghaha plus Vayam. What's the doubt, Medaji?
No doubt. Nothing.
So here also double Nakara is there. Is it because of Namut?
No.
No. Where is the Ngam letter? It is Tasmat. It is Tasmat. It's not a Ngam letter at all. Therefore, doesn't apply. You follow?
Yes.
All of you understand?
Yes.
You have to split Tasman. There is no such word in the language. Don't think Tasman is there. What's the Tasman is Dutya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Where is Tasman? Tasmat only is there. There is no Tasman. Papa Dasman Nivartitum here. Is it Namuktagama Sandhi? Yes.
No.
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 Here also it is no. Papa Dasman Nivartitum. Papa Dasman Nivartitum. How do you split this? Split this Sandhi. Splitting.
Papa Tasmat.
Nivartitum.
Papat
Asman.
plus Asman plus
Oh.
Nivartitum. Nivartitum. Papat plus Atma, Jashva Sandhi. Asman plus Nivartitum. Asman word is there. Where is Asman the word in the language? Huh?
Asmad, actually. It should be Asmad.
Really?
Asmat.
Really? Asmad.
Asman is there. Is there a word Asman?
You have to tell me. Come on, you're asking me. How long you will ask me then?
Asmat is there.
Where is Asman? Chapter memorize pandadilla. I want you to add more and more. Huh?
Asmanah.
Asmat is
Asmannaha.
Yes.
Asmannaha. What vibhakti, what vachanam?
2, 3.
2, 3. Aham, avam, vayam, ma,
Avam.
vavam, now,
Asmanah.
asmannaha.
Yes.
If it is asmad, then now with nakara will come there. Parasavara sandhi. All kalpana. Asmad, the word is there.
Okay. I thought that way.
but
No
Asmat is
thought
also
in thinking.
there, right?
Asman means you should know the shabda. There is no excuse not knowing the shabda. This Asmat
When
shabda,
we-
Ishma shabda, I've been telling it's important to memorize. Yeah. What's the question?
Asmat is also there, right? In Idam
Asmat
Shabda,
also. Yeah, Asmat is there. Asmat where? Yeah, it is there.
5-1.
Yes, 5-1 it is there. But I'm talking about Asmat in the Asmat shabda, not there.
Okay.
In the Asmat shabda,
Yes.
Asmat is not there. Okay, because I know the Gita,
Yes.
what context is. That's why I don't take it as Asmat is the pronoun of Idam Shabda.
Okay.
I know that is Asmat Shabda, that's why I said it's not there. Yes. Asmat is what vibhakti? What pratipadikam? Asmat, the word is there. Different
Asmat
Shabda.
is 5-1.
5-1.
Of the Shabda,
Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabda.
Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, Srilinga.
Pullinga as well as Napumsakalinga.
Yes, Pullinga as well, Napumsakalinga, Asmat, the word is there. In the Asmada, it's not there. That's what my Vivaksha is. Okay.
Asmat, that is not there.
Not there. Okay. So find out from the Gita, second chapter also, where this Namuttagama Sandhi is there. So Namut clear.
Yes.
Okay. See, I have given you the sequence of the rules to be applied. So if this sequence, you have to do Abhyasa. Now what I will do is, this Kuttam Dattam we will see indeed further when we learn, that time we will see. The sequence we can split for our convenience. You can split into, for our easy understanding, you can make into different subset. Subset 1, for example.
Sakara
Where,
Adesha.
sorry?
The rules from Sakara Adesha can be separated.
Again, say it again.
The rules from Sakara Adesha can be separated. That is from the
Yeah, we can do, yes. So, see, let us take the rules related to Jal, Padanta Jal, and also other things also covered, Padanta Jal. Okay, let us take Padanta Jal. Let me take it Padanta Jal. What is the first one will come? Padanta Jal.
Yashwaman.
Okay, just a month, very good. But even Kuttum and all also we saw, right? It's okay. For timing, you can leave out Kuttum. It's not a problem. Jastum 1, Padanta Jal. Then
Chartvam 2. Padanta.
don't jump immediately there. Huh?
Yashwam 2.
Jasvam 2 will be after Chartvam, no? No,
After
before.
Chartvam.
Jasvam 2. Sorry.
Confusion should have some limit.
Jal will be followed by
Jastum is applied after that sequences. Why don't Chuttam? Why are you skipping Chuttam?
But Padanta Jal,
So what?
no.
Padanta Jal then followed by, if it is a Chavarga letter, will not apply?
Will apply.
Following letter, did I say what following letter is?
Tutvam,
No.
Tutvam.
Tutvam, Stutvam. Then you apply Jastum 1. Jastum 2, sorry.
Yeah.
Then you apply Chartam 1 and Chartam 2.
Yes.
You can make this as one subset and then thorough with this prakriya. Right? This is subset 1. Chitraji, remember this. This is subset 1. This Kutvam and Dattam we will do later. This is one subset. From the entire the sequence of operation. So whenever you apply Jastum, you see the sequence is applied.
Anunasika also we can have, no, before.
Okay, hold on. That will come later,
That's
not now.
Okay.
Not.
Fine.
This subset 1, remember this. Be familiar with this practice. We have done already many, myself I have done in the class, many examples. And subset 2. Subset 2 is where we have Padanta Jal already we said, but Padanta Sakara is also a Jal letter, but it is Apavada to that. If it is Padanta Jal is Sakara, then apply this subset 2, you have to see. What is the one? Here, Rutvam. And Ru will be replaced, Ru is Repa. Repa will be replaced by Visarga Desha Sandhi. When followed by Kar or Avasana. Understood? I'm not writing everything.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
And followed by Kar letter. Then Visarga is replaced by
Sakara.
Sakara Desha.
Adesha.
And Sakara now in contact with, suppose following letter is Chavarga or Tavarga. It will undergo Shtutvam and Shtutvam. Here also it comes. Right?
Yes.
Apply that. Shtutvam or Shtutvam. This is subset 2. You follow? This is how we, in fact, we have done. Sorry?
Chartvam again, right?
Yeah, Chartvam and that of course follows. After Shtutvam, then Jashtam 2, of course, Jashtam 2 will apply. You have to see. Jashtam will not apply because
will not apply.
Following is Chartvam and Chartam 2. Of course, that will apply. You have to see. Chartvam 1, not Chartvam 2, because Avasana.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So this is subset 2. If you had missed anything, you can add. This is from the. You make like that the different subsets and then see in the context you apply. Next one is so Padanta Jal and Padanta Sakara is Apavada to that, right?
Yes.
Then we have subset 3 here where Anuswara. That is Makara. Makara or Nakara.
Padanta Makara or one
Makara or Nakara. If it is Padanta Makara,
followed by
I will write like this. Padanta Makara
followed by
or Apadanta
Makara Nakara.
Makara, Apadanta Nakara Makara, both. Apadanta Makara or Nakara. If it is Padanta Makara, then it is replaced by Anuswara. Apadanta Makara Nakara also replaced by Anuswara only, right? Then Anuswara is followed by the A letter. Then it will get
Parasavarna
Sandhi. That condition you have to remember. Parasavarna Sandhi will apply. Anuswara and followed by A, Parasavarna. Parasavarna Sandhi 1 and 2, whatever it is. It's both are there.
Number 2. That is number 2.
Parasavarna Sandhi 1 and Parasavarna Sandhi number 2. So this is subset 3, where we deal with Padanta Makara and Apadanta Makara and Nakara. Right? This is subset 3. Then what is left out in that? I think we covered all. Anunasika. Okay. Anunasika is here followed by Anunasika. That is one
options.
Separate one is there. Okay, that way. Subset 4. Which is year letter followed by Padantayar. In fact, it is Padantayar
Followed by Anunasika.
Followed by Anunasika. So then that year letter is replaced by
Corresponding Anunasika.
So it is
Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika Sandhi. This you can make it a separate one. Anunasika Sandhi. So we have only these 4 subsets. We'll cover everything. Other things are leave it, not required. Right? So now you see the sequence of so many sandhis in sequence we have seen. Kutvam. As I said, we'll see Dattam later. We'll see it again, both. Yashtam 1. In the sequence, if you put all the subsets together, this is a sequence of the application of the rules. Now here we have split this into 4 subsets and then applying. The Jashtam applies. And Ruttam applies when the Jal letter is Sakara, therefore Apavada to this. And Reparunasika, that also leave it. That also, in fact, that also we have to see. Reparunasika, I taught you. I don't know whether you remember it. What is Reparunasika, Repanuswara? Okay, we'll see it again. I'm sure you will not be remembering that. Huh? You remember?
Padanta Nakara is followed by Chav.
Oh, very good. Yes.
Which is in turn followed by
Yes. So Padanta Makara is given here. So in that case, we can have one more subset here. Because somebody remember. So subset 4. I make it this a subset 4. But you have to see the condition. Condition fulfilled or not. Padanta Nakara. See, you see the things. Padanta Makara, Padanta Nakara. Apadanta Makara, Apadanta Nakara. Padanta Nakara, if it is there, then the condition is Padanta Nakara followed by Chav letter. Chav letter followed by Then we have Repanuswara Sandhi. Repanunasika, Repanuswara Sandhi. Repanuswara, you can call by any name, because 2 possibilities are there. Repanunasika Sandhi. You will see, in case you don't remember, again, this is subset 4 and this is subset 5. So when you approach a Sandhi, you see under which subset it comes. Right? When you approach a Sandhi, you see under which subset it comes. Then apply the sequence. Putting everything together only, that we have the huge sequence. In case if it is difficult to remember the whole thing, but that is all you should train yourself. If you find difficult, then apply the subset. It covers the sequence of the important rules. Other rules which are not covered, that's okay. That the context we have to see and then apply. Everything you cannot cover. You follow?
Can you, in brief, discuss Repanuswara and Repanunasika?
I think we seen this.
We told just now, Padanta Nakara followed by Chav letter, Chav followed by In Gita itself, it was there in the first chapter, maybe. First chapter it is there. But I thought of asking and I skipped it. Here it is there. Can anyone say where is that? Medaji, where is that Sandhi? Repanuswara, Repanunasika. Suhasvi, where is it? In the screen it is there. In this slok. Anyone?
Has been
Or Krishna Swamiji? Putra Asti, that Repanuswara Sandhi. Pranan Styaktva Dhanani Cha. How do you split this? Pranan Styaktva.
Pranan Styaktva.
Styaktva. So let us split this. Repanuswara. Repanuswara example. One example you remember for each Sandhi. Pranan. What is that? Pranan. Pranam Tyaktva. Right? Now splitting this. Tyaktva is Avyaya, one padam. Avyaya padam. And here we have, okay, let me join. so that you will see how it comes. Joining is better. Pranan, what shabda? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
It's 2, 3.
2, 3, like Raman. It's a padam. Padante.
Nakara.
Nakara is there. That's it, Padanta Nakara. Right? Padanta Nakara will not become Anuswara. Please note.
Yes.
Padanta Makara only will become Anuswara when followed by a Hal.
Hal.
So, Padanta Nakara, followed by what letter?
Chav.
Kar.
Followed by Taka, not Kar. Kar,
Chav.
okay. We have to see that letter as Chav letter. Now, I will ask, what are the contents of Chav Pratyahara?
Chav was cha cha.
Chatata.
Right.
Chatata.
Chatata. And
Second letter, but not all the letters are covered.
Yeah.
So, Cha, Tha, Tha, Chatata. How many letters are there in Chav Pratyahara? 6.
6 letters.
So, the Chav letter, Chav followed by What is Okay, again back to Pratyahara. What are the letters?
Vowels, and then semi-vowels, and the fifth ha is
Up to
also there.
this is.
Yeah.
So,
Fifth letter.
all the vowels are semi-vowels, and fifth letter of all the class
Fifth
consonants
letter.
are covered by the Pratyahara So, Chav and remember Chav and I write just Chav and So, the Chav letter, is it in this case, following letter, Chav letter, followed by Yakara. Yakara is Therefore, this rule can be applied. Now, Padanta Nakara will be, the Nakara will be replaced by what letter?
Refa.
Repa. Very good. It's replaced by Ru. In fact, it is Ru. Not Ru is nothing but Repa only. When it is replaced by Ru, the preceding vowel will get either Anunasika or this is another option, or Anuswara. Either Anunasika or Anuswara. Anunasika Adesha, Anuswara Agama. Then Tyaktva. I'm writing two possibilities. Pranan or Pranam. Ru is nothing but Repa. So Repa. Repa followed by. Now which subset you will use? Please see which subset will use now. Just here, Padanta Jal.
Sakara, subset 2.
Here we are using Padanta Sakara becoming Ru. Here only Ru is there. Ru followed by, next step is Visarga. Visarga will come in followed by Kara Ravasana. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then followed by Sakara Adesha, where it is followed by Kar. Then Shuttam Rishtam. This subset you have to. So in the subset, where is Ru comes, you see. You follow? So in the subset 2 it comes. The Ru is there. Ru is Repa. And Repa will become now, followed by Kar letter, will become
Pranaha.
Visargaha. Repa will become Visarga. Visarga followed by Kar letter.
Sakara.
Visarga will be replaced by
Sakara.
Sakara.
Under which subset? Please see. Visarga has come. Visarga replaced by Sakara. And after that, you see whether Shuttam, etc. applicable. It's applicable, apply. So replace Visarga by Sakara.
Sakara in contact with 2.
Therefore, now we have Pranans. Wow, this is how we get. Right? You follow? Yes?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Please see the examples already. We have seen some. Okay.
This was very good example.
Yes. So please, whenever you have time, not whenever you have time, you make it take Gita, even though you have done Sandhi, some of Sandhis before, do Vicheda. You have the result in Gita. Some books you must be having some Padacheda books. So results are known. From the result, suppose in case if you don't know whether it's a Padam or how to split, you don't know. So you got some. There are some books where Padacheda is given. Gita Press, I think, Gita Press book is Padacheda is given.
Yes.
So take that example. I think online also you can download it. So you try to split, apply. See, as many Sandhi you do, so the practice. That's good. So you know, then you know how to split this. First, you should be able to recognize that the word is there in the language, and see what vibhakti, what vachanam, if at all, if it is a padam, right? So Gita Press is there. Take Gita as the homework and do. We have done the entire 2 chapters, almost all the Sandhis. Third chapter we'll do it slowly. So okay, now coming back here, we can divide this into these 4 subsets, and then in Sandhi context, whichever is applicable, take that subset and follow the sequence. That become easy now, right? Instead of having a long sequence, now we can take this support, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll stop here. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, before that, I thought of asking you, each one of you, to read every time, every class, every Sandhi. In another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, we'll do it. Yeah. Suhasji, please read the Sandhi. Just read.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, then Ak followed by Savarna Ak. The last letter of the Purapad and the first letter of the Parapad, both
Not
will be
Pada or Padam. Yeah.
Purvapadam and the first letter of the Parapadam, both will be written by Savarna Dirgha.
Can you give your own example? Not this example. You give your own example. You can give any example. So many other.
Agachati.
Sorry? Say it again.
No, I'm just thinking.
The word ending with A. Word ending with A. Bhagavad Gita, Rama, Lata, Raja, Atma, Brahma. So many are there. Dearth of words.
I'm thinking word Rama.
Kriya Padam also. We have Atati.
Lata.
I know.
Sure.
Ankati.
Lata Antanti.
Need not be Kriya Padam. You can take any word, right? Lata plus Atma. Why not?
Yes, sir.
Example is Lata Atma. Next one, Prakashji.
When it is followed by non-Asarvana Ach.
Non-Savarna, or just make it as Asavarna.
Asarvana. Asarvana. Ach, each of the Purva Padam will be replaced by the corresponding Yan.
You give your example.
Iti Aham.
Very good. Iti plus Aham. That's good. Yes. Savitraji.
When Guna Sandhi, when A is followed by a followed by Asavarna.
You can refer to this as by just saying Avarna also.
Avarna.
When Avarna
Don't confuse Avarna with Asavarna. Both are different. Yeah.
When Avarna is followed by a Asavarna, then both letters will be replaced by a single corresponding Guna letter.
Varna.
Give your example. Any example? How many examples we did?
Yeah.
So many, right? Can't you give one? Huh? Give one.
Lata
Simple.
plus guna letter.
Lata plus, yeah.
Ichati.
Yes. Lata plus Ichati. What's Sandhi? Then what is the final?
That will be guna sandhi. So latechati.
Lata Ichati. Krishnaswamiji.
Vriddhi Sandhihi. When akara or akara is followed by H, then
I'll
both
make it as Avarna.
yeah, when Avarna is followed by H, then both the letters will be replaced by a single corresponding Vriddhi letter.
Example.
Kanta plus Oshtam.
Yes, very good. A lot of examples are there, right?
Yeah.
Then next one. Next person. Chitraji. Ayadi Sandhi example. Please read Ayadi Sandhi and then give example. Mic unmute.
When H is followed by H, H will be replaced by Ayavayavaha.
Any example?
Nai plus Saha, Nayaka.
Very good. Okay. We can find that example is okay. Anyway.
I.
Yeah. Next one, Medaji. Assume that you are teaching me. Okay. Then you give the proper example. That's why I'm asking you to give the example. When you give example, not just seeing and telling. So suppose you are teaching someone, you are teaching me. Then what example you give for me to understand? Nai plus akaka means I will have doubt. What is nai? I will ask. You give an example where that is at the end of the padam. Another example you can give. Chitraji. Why nai plus aka? Nai plus aka, naika. Okay, example is fine. Another example where two words are the two padam. Give an example. Huh?
Hare plus Iva.
Hare plus, yes, that's good. Yeah, Hare plus Iva. Again, Hare.
Hare Iva.
Hare Iva. Yes.
A plus E is equal to.
Yes, that's good. Hare is Sambodhana as a padam. Iva is another padam. Okay. Yeah, Medaji.
Purva Rupa Sandhihi. When Padanta ing is followed by Rasva a, then Purva Rupa will replace both. Te plus api, tepi.
Tepi. Then Indraji.
Pararupa Sandhihi. When an upasarga ending with avarna immediately followed by a dhatu beginning with aing, then both the purva and para are replaced by pararupam, that is aing. This is an exception to vriddhi sandhi.
Yes.
Example immediately.
You should, think of some dhatu beginning with H letter. Okay, this is, we don't know.
I'm getting it.
Okay, take this example only. Pra plus ejate, prejate.
Pra plus ejate.
So dhatu beginning with the A letter. What about the pra plus yeti? Yeti also, right?
Preti.
No, we have an exception to that. Exception to exception that will fall under vriddhi sandhi, praiti, that is given.
Okay.
Where is that vriddhi? Okay, it's not here. We'll see that later. Praiti it is. That sandhi is not covered in this document. That is version, another version. Apavada to that. Please note it. Okay, I'm just explaining here. The dhatu, there is a dhatu, in gatau, second conjugation. Okay. I'll type here and delete. It's not required. Just you can note it if you want. So that dhatu will be iti. I mean yeti. Yeti means goes. Yeti. In fact, we say yeti gachati it. The it letter is derived from the dhatu in. In gatau. Dhatu is in. Gatau is a dhatu. The content of the dhatu is e. E means to go. E means not vowel e. Okay, it's a kriya. It's a dhatu. Like pat, dhatu. Kad, dhatu. Similarly, pat become patati. Kad become kadati. E means to go. Becomes eti. Eti gachati. When we have upasarga here, for example, upasarga ending with avarna. By applying this rule, upasarga ending with avarna followed by a dhatu whose first letter is eng letter. Applying this rule should it not be preti,
Yes.
but it is not preti because this is an exception to the exception. It will be riddhi praiti. Okay. This is an exception to exception that we have not seen. But just we can note. This example don't give. This is an exception to exception. Pararupa exception. Therefore, it will fall back to Vriddhi Sandhi. That we will see. Later, this example you can note. It's a counter exam. This is Vriddhi Sandhi example. Okay. This is a separate rule that we will see later. Okay. Next, Pararupa Sandhi. Again, Suhasi, please read.
When Apadanta Akara is followed by Guna letter, A or A or O, both Purva and Para will be replaced by Para Rupam, Guna letter.
That is Guna letter. Example? Example, immediately example, what example should come to our mind?
Pathanti.
Patanti or in the Atmanepada form? Labe, labate, labete, labante, labase, labete, labadve, labhe, laba plus ye. Right? Laba plus ye, laba apadantakara followed by ye. Then we have labe. Please see the pratyahara, pratyaya. What is the pratyaya? Ye, vahe, mahe. Atmanepada, uttama purusha, ekavachanam. Laba plus ye, not a plus ye, I.
Yes.
But is labe. So for this Pararupa Sandhi, you can remember this example. Pratama Purusha Eka Bhagavachanam of Parasme Pada form or Atmane Pada Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam form. This is a good example. This, right? You can remember this. Either one of them or both. Then Vriddhi Sandhi too. We have to see Lang Lakara. Of course, some Lat Lakara, Lang Lakara. In fact, that's a thought of chanting, but I don't have time today. Okay, next person can read. Savitriji, read.
When art is followed by Ajadi Dhatu, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi letter.
So this is a Vriddhi letter. What is art? Art Agama.
Until all from Akara, all
Come on, it's not a Pratyahara. Art is an Agama. Oh, yeah. Where is A in the Pratyahara? Is there A in the Pratyahara? Yo. What is this? Huh? Where is A in the? Do we have any Pratyahara? A starting from A, E. Where is that?
What I was thinking. I actually thought of higher varat, it ends, and then I'll start with the second vowel A to. That's what I thought when I read it.
Art is, where is any Pratyahara beginning with a long vowel? Do we have any Pratyahara like that? Okay. Long vowels are covered by the short vowels itself in the Pratyahara.
Okay, fine.
See how our thinking is. The Sanskritam makes our thinking really, Samskriti. It creates. You have to think properly. You can now well connect how it is important for Vedanta. Vedanta is not just reading shloka, understanding, memorizing, and just vomiting. This is how the students of many teachers, they do. What you understand by that. Now, see how Sanskritam helps. Because our mind thinks in so many ways. Sometimes we very nonsensical also, right? Yes or no? That's a fact, right? How can we connect art to something pratyahara? It is an agama. Just now we saw. It is so fresh in our mind. Art is takara is titta. Tittagama. Therefore, appended to the stani at the beginning of the stani, right?
A will come.
Huh?
A is the content.
A is the content. Example. This atagama also we saw. So for the atagama will come for the lang lakara past tense. Ajadi dhatu beginning with a vowel. Okay, in case you don't know that example, it's fine. Ish dhatu. You will see that later example. Fine, we'll stop here. So next class we will read the consonants and the one by one. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. See, in the Vyavahara also, if you think like that, what will happen? Huh? I'm just thinking, okay, I'm not only you, I'm also thinking about that. Samskrita helps, keeps the mind active, alive, doesn't
Really?
become somber. Huh?
Yes,
It's important. How alert our body may grow old, everything, but mind should not. No excuse that saying I am 70, 75, elderly, senior citizen. These things will not work. These things, you have to keep your mind always alert. Till we give up our body, the mind has to be alert. If your mind is not alert, we are just a log. Mind should be always alert. That Samskrita keeps your mind alert. Thinking, in fact, proper sane thinking. That's important. How far we have moved away from Samskrita and then Samskriti, again trying to get back to the roots. So difficult. We were one with that, actually. In the beginning, we are following. Now we have departed from that, gone away far. Now trying to catch the roots. Very difficult. So in the modern day, the computer students are coding. Coding and all involves like that. They think as though it's something which is modern for it. It's all there in our Samskrita, our culture itself. It is there. This coding. I have also done coding when I was learning something on my own, Java. So this is more than Java. It is. It is Java ka baap hai ye. Huh? Okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavadas, Saranji.
Dhanyavadaha.